So what are arthropods? Arthropods are animals such as insects, crabs, centipedes, and spiders. They have segmented bodies, a tough exoskeleton, and jointed appendages. Segmented means split into groups. An exoskeleton is the outer skeleton protecting an animal, and appendages are the wings, legs of the arthropods, like that little leg. Arthropods can be split down the middle with two matching sides, and this is called bilateral symmetry. So what do arthropods eat? Arthropods can be herbivores, meaning they only eat plants, or omnivores. They can eat both, and carnivores, which they only eat meat. Arthropods' mouths have evolved to consume any food. Some have pincers or fangs, so they can eat their prey, like this spider using a web. An arthropod's digestive system breaks food into nutritious molecules. The nutrients are then carried by blood to body cells. Sensory. All arthropods have brains to send their muscles messages. They have two nerves surrounding the throat called the ganglia. The ganglia is a group of nerve cells that control the legs and wings. Arthropods also have compound eyes that can see motion and color. Body cavity. In arthropods, there isn't as much coelom as other animals due to their skeletons. In some, most of the coelom is found around the reproductive organ and axillary organs. The leftover space is called the hemocoel. Coelom is the empty spaces in an animal's body, and hemocoel are blood cavities. Circulation system. Arthropods have an open circulatory system. Open circulatory system means when blood fills the body cavity of the organism. But we, as humans, have a closed circulatory system, so our blood flows in vessels and arteries.
Reproduction. Terrestrial arthropods have an internal fertilization when the male places sperm into the female. Terrestrial means on land. Aquatic arthropods have an internal or external fertilization. External fertilization is when the female releases eggs and the male spreads sperm around it. Aquatic means on or in water. Gas exchange. Aquatic arthropods, such as jellyfish and sponges, take in gases and release them back into the water. Terrestrial arthropods take in air and send it through their tracheal tubes and release it back into the air. Other. The legs of an arthropod are its best quality. They allow for different things such as swimming, for example, water striders, and clinging and collecting, for example, bees. Other. The main weakness of arthropods is their small size. However, there are reasons evolution didn't let them get larger, such as they need to molt, which is or can be harmful for big animals. The bigger an organism is, the harder it is for the exoskeleton to support it. They wouldn't get enough oxygen.